no one tells you that it's really freaking hard to squeeze out all the water and spray everything. I feel like my hands were about to fall off. You could see I just put them in the wash and then they're going to go in the dryer. In the meantime, let me show you guys what I've been working on with my TikTok. There's like a really pretty tree and there are like thousands of bumblebees and they were annoying me the whole time I was making the shirt. So I'm gonna try and just run out and show you guys quick what I've been working on. Look at how pretty. I'm just turning this into a quick vlog because why not? We're about to surprise one of our really good friends and I made a cute sign for her because we're doing like one of those drive-by birthdays. So I made this sign. It's so cute. Figured I will vlog a little bit and then when I come home I will show everyone the last and final step to the reverse tie-dye. Hopefully it comes out really good. See you guys in a bit. NC Charm right in this car.
Get it all over the car.
So I am back home after the birthday drive-by. I left them in the washing machine, so I'm going to transfer them to the dryer and then take them out and have the final result. Okay, so they're done. I'm going to take you to the, oh my god, I put lights on here. Oh my god, these look amazing. Okay, so this is what they look like. Going to be the second part. Obviously when you're done with tie-dyeing and you're done with drying them, you can leave them of course, but I wanted to go ahead and do a second step. I want to add some wording onto the sweatshirt. So I'm going to take you guys down to my office, show you guys how to apply HTV vinyl to here. We're going to open up Cricut Design Space and type in the text that we want. I decided to choose New York because I just wanted to choose New York as my text. So now I'm going to open up my font document. I do mention this in my DeFont tutorial video that I keep an entire Word document of all the fonts that I have. So I'm going to choose that blocky font. It's called College Black. I couldn't decide which font I wanted at first, so I chose two other fonts that I wanted to see which ones would look best, and then I changed the color to white because that is the vinyl color that I'm going to use onto the sweatshirt. So now we can adjust the letter spacing and the curve. I decided I didn't want the first or third one and I wanted to do the second one. So I wanted the words a little bit closer. So what I did was I ungrouped them and then grouped the two words separately and then I spaced them out and moved them. Once I liked them, I highlighted it and then grouped it. And of course, do not forget to save your project because you do not want it to get deleted. And then I measured my sweatshirt off camera and picked the right sizing, and then I welded my design once I was finished. Now you can click Make It and adjust it to the right size that you want on the Cricut mat. Don't forget to click Mirror On as well and make sure that Iron On is the setting that you use since this is HTV vinyl. Now we can insert it into the Cricut and have it cut our words. I weeded the design off camera just to save some time. I went ahead and put it on the sweatshirt and measured it. I just made sure that it was right in the middle. And And then I preheated my Cricut Easy Press to 305 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds. I always make sure that I heat up my apparel before I heat press because it gets rid of all the moisture. And when you're ready, you can take your Teflon sheet and start heat pressing. I had to do it 2 times because the heat press isn't big enough to do the entire design at once. And I did it 2 times because I wanted to make sure it adhered to the sweatshirt correctly. And then you can remove the carrier sheet and you are finished. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This shirt came out amazing, and I think I found my new obsession because I want to tie-dye so many more shirts now. This is such an easy, fun project to do. I am very happy that I was able to record it and show you guys a tutorial on it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section below. I hope everyone is, again, still staying safe and staying healthy. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button if you want to see more of my YouTube videos and more content like this. I don't know what else to say. I just hope everyone loved this video because I loved it. Okay, thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!